Watch out! President Trump and Senate Republicans are embracing unconstitutional red flag gun confiscation laws. Are your guns next? I'm Robin Kinderman, and you're watching JBS Straight Talk. Following the El Paso and Dayton mass shootings, Senate Republicans, at the president's urging, are moving forward with so-called red flag laws, also known as extreme risk protection orders. If you don't know much about it, red flag laws are gun confiscation laws that allow police or family members to petition a state court to remove firearms from anyone that is deemed a threat to themselves or society. According to Representative Thomas Massie and pro-Second Amendment author John R. Lott Jr., these laws let the government take firearms away from people who are arrested but not convicted of crimes. Even simple complaints without arrest have been enough. Realize that simple complaints can be accusations that are completely fabricated after heated disagreements. Perhaps you and your neighbor argue about religion. Your coworkers are appalled that you oppose the LGBTQ movement, or your mom hates that you have a Confederate flag in your front yard. Sounds crazy, doesn't it? Massie and Lott write, initial confiscations often require just a reasonable suspicion, which is little more than a guess or a hunch. When hearings occur weeks or a month later, about a third of these initial orders are overturned, but the actual error rate is undoubtedly much higher. These laws make no provisions to cover legal costs, and many people facing these charges do not retain counsel. In other words, careless statements made by anyone, opinions posted on social media, one's political beliefs, or even the mere accusation of just about anything can be used against you. The next thing you know, a judge is ordering your guns to be taken away, and the lengthy process of proving your innocence begins. As of August 2019, 17 states and the District of Columbia have passed some form of red flag law, and more states are sure to follow. Along with the red flag laws, citizens should also be aware that the FBI added believing in conspiracy theories to its criteria for identifying domestic terrorists. That means there's just one more way that the government can disarm and persecute citizens based on their beliefs. This is definitely not what our founders intended. The red flag laws are not only unconstitutional under the Second Amendment, they're a huge slippery slope sliding headlong into tyranny. We commend Congressman Massie and author John Lott Jr. for standing their ground on this vital liberty topic, and we encourage you, if you've not done already, to contact both your federal and state lawmakers and the White House. Urge your state lawmakers to oppose the passage of any new red flag laws or to repeal existing red flag laws in your state. Likewise, urge President Trump and Congress to oppose any federal red flag legislation, increase background checks, or other gun control measures. As Massie and Lott conclude, everyone wants to stop mass public shooters, but we haven't previously punished people on the basis of little more than a hunch. Stopping future crimes didn't work in the movies, and it doesn't work in real life. Until next week, take care and God bless.